Hello. Hello, people. Hello, keyboard things. Wait, I have to point the fan at me correctly because it's hot as balls. Well, yes. Turn up the speed. Oh, your hair looks beautiful. Really? Does it? Does it though? There's so much hair everywhere. E. All right, let me post some memes on the Discord. My keyboard's literally not plugged in and I'm typing. Big brain. Wow, just finished watching all your keyboard videos on YouTube. All my keyboard videos? The fuck is wrong with you? That's like a lot of keyboard videos. It's a whole lot. Wait, I'm literally sitting on the frog. One moment. Oh, it's not screwed together. There we go. Frog. All right. Listen. Fuck. No, not the bubble wrap. My life is a mess. My life is a fucking mess, guys. I tried to clean my room, but instead I fell asleep. Show them the cum blanket? I don't have a cum blanket. I can make one. Just give me like 4.5 minutes. I'll be right back.
Love knobs.
Swag, thank you for the 4 months. You say frog today? I don't know if there's gonna be frog today. Listen, I'm gonna lube like my heart has never lubed before. I'm gonna lube so hard. I got my fucking pizza cutter. I got my magnetizer. I got my rusty kitchen scissors. I've got everything needed for a proper lube job. Gian, 8 months. How has it been 8 fucking months?
Knobs.
How? How? Tree Leaf. I mean, hi, it's Tree Leaf. Hi, Simon, it's Tree Leaf. Why am I not in the middle of the screen? It's pissing me off. Okay, that's better. Thank you, Tree Leaf, for the 9 months. I love you. I love you long time. I just like, I fiddled with a lot of shit today, so like my brain is like, psh. I need some brain juice. One moment. Oh, that's some good brain juice. I can't decide if I want a Tomo. It doesn't look like it's worth the money, but it's a TGR.
Love knobs.
Is it a TGR? That's the question. If it's unlimited and it's not being run by Sam, is it a TGR? Like, by that logic, the Exent was a TGR, right? The Exent was a TGR. That thing was like $200, and then it was worthless for 5 years until Originative was like, hey, why don't I sell it to you for $1,000? Baka, thank you for your 3 gifted eggplants. I love it. I love it when you fucking... It's my favorite thing in the world, when like, you take the eggplant and you give the eggplant to someone else. Like that. Alright, let's hope that this is on. Is it? It is on. Holy shit, I actually turned on my camera. Poggies. Alright, listen, before we do that, let's just go into the overhead so you guys can like all gawk at my terrible desk. We're gonna clean the desk a little bit, okay? Alright, there, it's clean. When can I redeem a gator dance? You can redeem it anytime, but I will do the dance when it fits most conveniently into the stream.
I fucking love
How many switches
knobs.
am I lubed? Not many, like 35 or something. But that was like while going through links and shit. So like we did pretty well. Today, if we focus, we can do all of them. And then hopefully I can just like end my life. Atto, thank you for the eggplant. Can I ask why the frog TKL is so hyped? It looks like a standard top mount. It is a standard top mount. That's it. It's just a good standard top mount that's at a decent price. That's it. It should not be hyped. It should not be hyped. Please wait for my in-depth YouTube review when I put it out, where I say, this is nice. Please buy this as your first board. Do not buy this as your 5th board or your 10th board. Just buy it as your first board, like your first proper board. What did Sam say? Thanks for the build. Okay, wait. How much do you hate it? Sorry, I'm trying to not leak DMs for once in my life. I mean, who am I kidding? I'm probably gonna accidentally leak it anyways. It's a standard top mount that isn't hard mounted. I mean, it doesn't fucking matter. It feels the same. The tadpoles do nothing in the way of feel. In terms of sound, we'll figure it out once we put our loop switches in there. Do I happen to like Topra? Yeah, I like Topra. Topra's good. Topra is like my go-to recommendation for tactiles. What did I ask you? How much do you hate it? How much do you hate your matrix that I built for you? Have I seen the new soft tadpoles? Yeah, I've seen lots of things. I don't know how they feel. We'll see. Have I ever tested extreme domes? I got the original accidental super heavy BKE by J-Chan that ended up being like 95 grams and super overly tactile. So yeah, I've tried those. They're pretty fucking good. All right, listen, we're just gonna loop some shit. So let's get this KFE out of the way. Let's put it where it belongs. Gently over here because I love it very much. What's my camera stream? That's a very weird question. You mean like what camera do I have? I have all the camera. I have many camera. Let me show you. Let me show you. Okay, so first of all, the camera that you're looking at me at is a Sony RX0. I use a A6000 with a Sigma 70mm lens on essentially a counterweighted crane for my macro shots. For my overhead, give it a second. My overhead is a A6100 with a 18-105 f4 that has power zoom. My shotgun mic is mounted up there. My face cam is a Canon C100. For audio, I use a Zoom H6, and if you back up a whole bunch, you can see that it's all like mounted magically in the air. So yeah, there's many camera. There you go. What's the PP cam? It's the one pointing at the gator. That's the PP cam. Yeah, imagine I have like $10,000 of gear just so I can like yell at rectangles and get drunk. Nice shorts. Thank you, baby.
I fucking
These are my
love
workout
knobs.
shorts. You know why? 'Cause I'm about to fucking work out. Once I find my switch holder, I'm gonna lube the shit out of these switches. Gonna lube them so good. New shirt? Yeah, it's the new merch. New merch. It's cheaper and better and ships faster and has better customer support and the print is better. And it's comfy. Okay, so like I have yet to make an official statement on the Discord about like which shirts you should buy, so hold tight. So I bought like one of every type of shirt because they have like 80 billion types of shirts and I really liked one of them. I'm gonna find out which one it is and essentially recommend that one. Alright, overhead, switch opener, switch parts, there we go. Springs. So these are 55 gram KBD mod, lubed with LSD oil. Let's see, what else have we got? Rupert, thank you for the Twitch Prime. Bezos bucks. Wait, I can see it. I can see it in the camera. Ah, there it is. There's our lube. Here is our applicator. And we need something to hold the springs so we don't touch our eyeballs. There we go. LSD, yes sir, LSD. Limited slip differential. Last stream I said that all the shirts are the